Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, I just finished my duty, 2 o'clock. I think it's exactly 2 o'clock when all of us left. Actually, Jackson was left behind because yeah, he needed to finish the pizza. Yeah, and before leaving the kitchen, Inigo saw this that I am wearing because this one is coming from him. He gave it to me long time ago. He said it's not fit in him. Yeah, okay, we go. I won't be able to do pull-ups today because I have a little injury on my finger. Oh, I can see people there. There are kids in there. They are playing a bicycle. That's good. Yeah, I initially hear this like a voice sound of kids, and I saw there are people there with their bikes in there. Nice. Oh, I know you don't see it, but yeah, there are kids in there. Not kids, but like a teenager. Yeah, we're going to explore that next time. And yeah, I have a little injury here, so we can't do pull-ups. Doesn't happen in the kitchen. It's actually happened in the house because I was pushing the garbage, and then there is like very sharp things in there, and yeah, it hit my finger. Yeah, it was bloody yesterday. I don't know where's the way to get there. Nice, they are HHWW, holding hands while walking. Where do broken hearts go? Can we find them? I just received a message on my Facebook page, and she's thanking me because she said that she is now processing her visa to come here. And I checked her previous message, and she is actually having a doubt before to study culinary because you know, and she finally did, and now she's processing the visa to come here. Nice. Yeah, it is now 3:12 and I am preparing my meal. Some onion. Oh, this cabbage is all getting black now. Okay, let's put it now, and let's put some of this soy sauce. We're actually making a pancit. I have this long life noodles. this is what I'm going to eat. Yo, good afternoon guys. We are going home now. 2 o'clock when I sign out. Today is a little humid, hot. You are going to the water if you are here. From above, I'm not that innocent. Oh, today we're not going to do pull-ups because I still have my finger injury. Oh, yesterday I show you this, that there are some people yeah, they are biking inside there. Maybe the way is from uphill. Yeah, from the upper side. Oops, I did it again. I give it your heart, the loss and the gain. Oh baby, baby, oops, I think I'm in love, and that's from above. I'm not that innocent. Ooh. Yeah, I'm driving very slowly because there's a couple in front of me. I don't want to disturb them. Looks like it is going to rain now. Yeah, from this side is there is a dark clouds. Yeah, there are many people in there, and as usual the black swan, they are staying in there. Yeah, this is my injury. I can't do pull-ups because of this. Oh, it's actually raining now. There are already some droplets of water. I never everything, no wanna see you back that door, baby, bye bye bye. Trouble to you. I just want to. Okay, finally we are out of the rain. We are now home. Yeah, it's already 10 minutes to 3 o'clock. What I am going to eat today? Yeah, I don't have rice. What I am going to eat? So this is what I am going to eat today. I have this creamy bacon pasta sauce. This is just $1 from Walmart. Oh, actually I still have this from yesterday, if you remember yesterday. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, 2 o'clock already. We are going home. Yeah, the sun is blinding because of the white clouds. Yeah, I finished at 2 o'clock. And today is a little hot. Just right for the people to swim. I don't know why there are not so much people. Today is Sunday. It's supposed to be many people along the beach. Yeah. Okay, we go. It would be you and me. Yeah, we are still not going to do some pull-ups because I still have my finger a little sensitive. Yeah. But I am now able to wash this. make it wet. So tomorrow I will be doing the pull-ups. All of these are beautiful looking cars. Nice. Yeah, nice. Those people, they have beautiful car. They stop there and they are fishing. I'm actually now a little in a hurry because yeah, Inigo and Kuya Roel, I am not aware that they are going to eat. Inigo asked me to cook rice. I'm supposed to live without you. Now that I've been loving you so long, how am I supposed to live without you? And how am I supposed to carry on when all the love we're living for is gone? Yeah, Nico asked me to buy iced tea. That's why I'm here. I'm also going to buy chicken. So I'm going to take this one. I just came back here to show you the price. So the price is $3.95. It's 1.5 liters. Yeah, and there is the single serve, discounted. Yeah, regular price is $2.70. Now it's just $1.90. And I also take this $10, one whole chicken. And I'm now waiting for Inigo and Kuya Roel. I'm actually hungry already, but yeah, because we are going to eat somewhere. We are here in Bari Park.
Sabi po ako sa mag-isa. Hindi mo nagulutan na ito. Pinasit na kita? Kaya naman?
Yeah, it is now 5:55, and yeah, Inigo gave this to me. So we eat in the park, in Bari's Park, and yeah, Inigo cooked this. Inigo cooked the rice and cooked this adobo, and also cooked the. And I bought this from Walmart. You see me? Water. Iced tea. And then Inigo is coming later to pick up this container. Yeah, this is the adobo that Inigo cook. Yeah.